I just finished cleaning the carburetor out on this John Deere 14 SE. This has a Kawasaki FC150V, which has pressurized lubrication. This is a really nice overhead valve engine, and runs great now. It was running pretty crappy before I cleaned out the carburetor. So we'll go ahead and start it up. This is the electric start model. Probably don't need to put it on choke because I just had it running, but I'll just turn the throttle up a little bit and we'll start. This has a blade brake clutch, so the blade will not start. So as you can see, it runs real nice now. I started the blade before and it had no trouble. Before I cleaned the carburetor, it was actually stalling when you would try to start the blade, so it's working a lot better now.